Good morning, children. Today we are going to start with chapter 8, that is the case of the sharp eyed jeweler. Now, it is written by Nicholas Bentley. The narrator of the story, William Morris, he is telling the story. One day, when he was displaying the jewelry in the window shop, he noticed that a woman in yellow coat and yellow sandal was standing outside the undertaker's shop on the opposite side of the road. He found it very strange because the undertaker's shop displayed only two urns and some gravestones and photographs. Now, William Morris finished arranging the jewels, and just as he finished, an American entered the shop. He was a very strongly built man. He asked for ring and he picked out 2-3 rings, but he was not having any idea about the jewelry. And secondly, he noticed that he was left-handed. Then he asked for him to show some more rings, and when he was about to take out he liked one ruby and diamond ring, and when he turned around to take out the fourth tray, he saw that the ruby and the diamond ring has disappeared from the tray. Now, William Morris, he asked the American to hand over the ruby ring to him, but he refused. He said that I don't have. And so he called Miss Suskind to assist him in finding the ring. But the American kept on denying that he has not taken the ring. Now, William Morris, he called the Rigniers also, who was the owner of the shop, and all of them started looking for the ring. Now, he had noticed that when the American had entered the shop, he was chewing gum. And now, all of a sudden, he noticed that he had stopped chewing the gum. This made him a little suspicious. William Morris thought that where can the gum go? When he was chewing the gum, where did the gum go? He has not even thrown it somewhere. Anyway, he said that he had to inform the insurance company, and so he took the American, Mr. Rignier, he took the American to his office. Now, Mr. Rignier also searched his clothes for the ring, but he couldn't find anything. Suddenly, the woman who was standing outside the undertaker's shop since morning, she entered the shop, and she was carrying an old bag in her hand and seemed to be very poor. Now, she put the bag on the counter, and then she took out an imitation brooch and showed it to William Morris for repair. Now, William Morris, when he said that they don't do any repair work, she took the brooch back, and while taking, accidentally the paper dropped, and William bent down to pick up the paper. Now, at this time, William Morris, he could understand what had happened, and he ordered the lady to hand over the ring to her. Now, the woman was very unwilling, but because she was caught red-handed, she had to hand over the